So what's going on, guys? That's actually gonna be a very quick tutorial how to restore the closed tabs in Google Chrome. But before I start, if you're finding this video for helpful, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some comments, if you have some questions, if you have some problems, comment down below the video in the comments and I will try to respond. And yeah, let's go. Let's show you how to restore the closed tabs. Here is how. Let's say we've opened some tabs like Facebook, YouTube, and Steam, and we close them by accident like this. So how to restore them? Just hold Control on your keyboard, hold also Shift and T, and we click T. As you can see, it's restoring our tabs one by one. There's other option too. How? Just click here, right click here, and now click on Reopen Close tab like this. When we click again this, our tabs are restored. And that was it how to restore the closed tabs in Google Chrome. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also, as I said, if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. And see you next video. Bye.